How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop, done in its factory Gipsy red, India Ivory. It's had a complete frame-off restoration. Super nice car here. All the grills, got the stainless grill in it, excellent condition. All the bumpers, bumper guards, all been re-chromed. The panel fitment on the car is excellent. The car's real straight, flat down the sides. Super nice car. Got all brand new wheels and tires on it. I think the car's got 3,700 miles on it since the restoration. All the rear bumper, everything's been re-chromed. All the taillight bezels, everything. Excellent shape. All the glass is very nice. You see the car's real flat, straight down the sides. All the chrome and stainless has been repolished. Super nice car. It's got a GM crate, 350 ramjet motor. It's all fuel injected. Power steering. It's got vintage AC and heat. Power disc brakes. It's got a 700R overdrive trans, aluminum radiator, everything very nicely detailed. See all the jams, everything very nice. Probably one of the nicest 55s we've had in a long time. It's a factory power windows. It's got the classic instrumentation, tilt wheel, I did it, tilt column. It's a headliner, all the bows are excellent. They did front and rear seat belts. Got the low car accelerator pedal assembly. It's got a posi rear. Duals all the way out the back. All inside the trunk is very nice. Got the jack spare. Got folder of paperwork and receipts on the build. Tell you, super nice car. Got the factory, red and white interior. It's got a direct fit AM FM cassette stereo. All the vintage AC stuff nicely mounted under the dash, the vents. Rear power windows. Doors shut perfect. Fires right up. Thing just runs perfect. A super nice car here. Bottom of the car is real nice, just like the top. Got nice sound and exhaust. backup lights and everything work. It's just a very, very nice car right there. You can get in this car, drive anywhere you want to go. Thing drives and rides excellent. It's got all tubular A-arms up front. Have a great day, folks.